Welcome back. In the previous lessons, you learned how to design a bathroom, and now we move on to the bedroom, a space where ergonomics and visual comfort are especially important. In this video, we will place the main furniture, apply materials, and adjust object positions using the intelligent tools built into ArtRocket. The goal of this lesson is to show how you can create a fully functional bedroom in just a few minutes, without additional imports or complex settings. Furniture placement. The first step is to open the library and go to the bedroom category. Here we can find a bed, bedside tables, wardrobes, and other elements typical for this space. We start by adding the bed. ArtRocket automatically detects the walls and aligns the object along the scene axis. This allows precise furniture placement without manual measurements or unnecessary adjustment. Next, we add bedside tables and a wardrobe. Each object is positioned relative to the walls, and distances can be adjusted using dynamic move or numeric values. If we want to duplicate a module, we use the dynamic move function while holding the control key on the keyboard. In the living category, we find TV stands. We select the module and place it into the scene. When opening the library, we see two categories, modules and components. We click on Appliances, then TV, and select the television from the list. TVs usually come in standard sizes. If we want to make it larger or smaller, we use the scale tool. If we want to change the color or texture of the bed, we go to our tags. We click on Facade Opening and Modules Filling. Then we double-click the Dynamic Hand tool and click as shown on the screen. Here, with just one click, we can change the texture. Let's try it together. Seeing the dynamic hand, we can modify materials and their parameters in real time, change textures, adjust grain or tile direction, quickly test alternative options. This is one of the most convenient ways to find the right combination, because there's no need to rebuild surfaces or deal with complex settings. We can also change the size of the bed. We select the module, open the Attributes window, and adjust the dimensions to the size we need. Then we click Start. With just one click, the size is updated. From experience, I recommend always testing 2 or 3 variations of the same space. Sometimes changing just one element or texture can turn an average project into a great one. With our software, there's no need to rebuild the space for every new idea. All changes happen in real time. When materials and furniture come from the library, communication becomes easier and the risk of errors is reduced. We can add decorative or functional elements, a dresser, artwork, lighting, or a rug. Objects automatically align to axes and walls, just like in the previous scenes. This is the moment when you improve ergonomics and create the desired atmosphere: minimalist, modern, or classic. Decoration. Decoration in interior design is not just about making a space look pretty. Its main purpose is to give the room meaning, character, and mood. Decor transforms a set of walls, furniture, and lighting into a living space you want to be in. Through decorative elements, an interior begins to speak about the person who lives there, their taste, habits, and lifestyle. Artwork, textiles, books, lighting, and plants add individuality and make the space personal rather than generic. Even the most well-designed interior can feel cold or unfinished without decoration. Attention: if you notice that a module doesn't look the way it should, or if scaling didn't work correctly, the redraw function will help. All you need to do is select the module and click Redraw. Step 5. Changing facade materials. To change the facade material, select the wardrobe, open the Attributes window, and click on Materials. Scroll down to Frontal. Below, you'll find folders with materials. Simply click on a material to apply it. You can also change the carcass texture. Above frontal, you'll find the carcass option. Step 6. Changing wall textures. To change wall textures, select the wall. In the top right corner, click on Materials and choose the desired material. This is the key advantage. We design at the speed of our thinking. There's no need to interrupt creativity for technical settings. As a designer, you immediately see whether a solution works, and as a supplier, you instantly understand whether objects are placed correctly. In this lesson, we've seen how to fully furnish a bedroom using the program's intelligent tools and library. Your advantage is the ability to quickly create different variations, change finishes in seconds, and work with objects inspired by real products. In the next video, we'll move on to the hallway. See you soon.